Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lone So Po Shillong. Wan ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Unong yalam jong kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma hakishipotrik unok pra arajar arpau ule yekendo kerpang ya ulat jong kejela usatya pal maling ban pensngeu hau halor ka jingdawa badai ban penlong ya ka jingtokit ka babnia halor ka jingkeno bakadon ka jersey bamsam ha ka office trekam jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingye kendo ya ulat kejela u Dr. Mukul Sangma ule ya thuru ba ula pensngeu ha ulat halor ka jingbam yo tulop jong kinong tre ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council nado ubnai jemmang arjar khat phra hado menta.
Non-payment of the salary, I am told that the employees of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council have not been paid their salary since May 2018. The delegation representing the victims and the employees are camping in Shillong. They have also submitted a representation to the Honorable Governor and also a copy addressed to me. So I have drawn his attention to this very serious issue, including the issue of alleged corruptions, where the money which was sanctioned by Government of India for developmental purpose of backward tribal areas and poor tribal people have been alleged to have been misappropriated. That has been brought into his notice, and then to ensure that the process of law is given the way to have the law its own course in respect of investigating and booking those people, whoever must have been involved in such alleged misappropriation and corruption.